Cozy. Hey y'all, it's your girl Lena and I'm back with another video, and as you can tell by today's title, we're going to be doing a wig reinstall, and the style today is going to be a 3-part braid with some curls. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Come join the family. Because if you're not a part of the family, what are you doing? But yeah, let's get into the video. So first we're going to go in with some holding spray and a hard brush to brush those edges back. With our blow dryer on cool, we're going to mold our edges into place. After that, we will go in with our hair cap and as well do the same thing with our holding spray, blow dry on cool air, mold that cap into place.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say.
Then we will go in with concealer or foundation, whichever is best for you, and put that on our cap, and then go ahead and cut the excessive cap off.
So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit.
After cutting the excessive cap off, we will go in with some 91% alcohol to clean that hairline, and then we will start with our first layer of glue. So for this wig reinstallment, I went ahead and used 4 coats. So that's what you will be seeing me do the next few minutes of the video, putting on my 2nd, 3rd, and 4th layer of glue.
I never listened, no. I should have figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever.
Once that last coat is dry, we're going to go ahead and apply that wig using a rat tail comb to make sure that it's down and in place. Once we see that it's in place, we're going to go in with our lace band for our.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
After the first hour, we're going to go ahead and remove that lace band and go ahead and cut off any excess of lace that we don't need.
Focus on me. Lazy and broke. I only get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're
After removing that lace, I'm going to go in with some spritz and some holding spray on my hairline, and again lace band for another hour. Once that hour is over, we're going to go ahead and remove that lace band, and then we start the fun part, which is styling. So I went ahead and did a part down the middle and braided the middle part. I flat ironed both sides, and then I also sprayed some holding spray on both sides, and I just simply braided that down. I then went ahead and did a part on the side, made sure I flat ironed the top part back and the side down, and then I did 2 braids on both sides. I left out some edges so that I can do some baby hairs. Again, just using holding spray and spritz to keep everything molded and into place, as you all can see, and you would be able to achieve this look.
Let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky.
So what you do to one side, you would do to the other, and you should look like this. At this point, I'm going to be going ahead and pulling out my edges so that I can curl them, mold them into place.
I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind.
We're going to go ahead and cut the excess of hair off so that we can get the amount of hair that we need to place our baby hairs into place. After that, we're going to go in with our mini flat iron to curl the baby hairs, then with some holding spray and our edge brush to put the baby hairs into place, and then with our blow dryer on cool air to make sure that they're set into place. Once we have those baby hairs molded into place, we're then going to spray some holding spray on the back of the hair using the blow dryer on cool air to make sure that that's molded in place as well. I know you're all wondering, how did I connect the 2 braids? I just simply got a black rubber band and put it in a rubber band in the back. And then again, I went in with some holding spray and some spritz just to make sure everything was molded into place, and with the blow dryer on cool air until it was molded. So at this point, I'm done with the main styling. From here on out, you're going to basically just be seeing me curl both sides, and we're all going to just wait for the final results.
There's another universe, please make some noise.
And there you have it. These are the final results. I hope I was very detailed and easy for everyone who's trying to do this style. And again, I hope you all enjoyed today's video.
Intrusive thoughts, the paralyzed, no fun is not, cause advertise this, got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn, got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving, it's all for the taking, I always say, oh, be better on Saturn, none of this matters, dreaming of Saturn, oh, if karma's really real, how am I still here, just seems so unfair, I could be wrong though, if there's a point to being good, then where's my reward, the good die young and poor, I gave it all I could, stuck in this terror all I see is terrible, making us hysterical, 'cause got to be more, sick of this headline, intrusive thoughts, the paralyzed, no fun is not, it's advertised, it's got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn, got to break this pattern, floating away.
And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend. Come join the family, because if you're not a part of the family, then what are you doing? And yeah, I love the way that it came out. You would think it's a new wig install, but again, as you can tell by today's title, it is a wig reinstallment. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.